Hey, what's up everyone? Programmer 5402 here again, and this time I've got the narrator tagging along to give you the lowdown on the latest updates for Void Lives.
Hello, Void Dwellers. Let's dive into the chaotic fun, shall we?
Yeah, let's get to it. So this week has been super productive. I've been hard at working on the game's UI and trust me, it's looking slick than ever. Plus, I made some serious upgrades to the battle system. We're talking about the new features like health bars, AP, shields, and even a runner timer. So now, when you're battling those terrifying enemies, you'll need to strategize your moves carefully because surprise, your resources are limited. No more button mashing your way through.
In other words, it's time to channel your inner tactician and not just panic roll your way to victory.
Exactly. But that's not all. I'm also enhancing the game's crafting elements. Players can gather materials to create their own weapons, items, and even potions. You're basically going to feel like a medieval blacksmith, but with fewer burns.
And it doesn't stop there. We're also working on some cool side mechanics like sleeping, cooking, because who doesn't love food in games? And a ton of side quests. So many you'll think we're just making up excuses to keep you busy.
Oh, and let's not forget the UI enhancements. I've been tweaking the game over screen because let's face it, you'll be seeing that more than once. Along with adding health bars, AP meters, maps, and even a running gauge to track your stamina during those mad dashes from angry enemies. It's all still a work in progress, but it's shaping up nicely. Right now, I'm wrapping up the dialogue system, so you'll soon be hearing NPCs that actually talk back, and maybe some that won't shut up. Plus, sound effects are coming, so prepare your ears for some epic audio action.
We're also crafting the game's main menu, so when new players join, they're greeted with something more exciting than a black screen and start button. First impressions matter after all.
That's it for this week's update, folks. Lots of exciting stuff is on the way, and we're just getting started. So, stay tuned, and don't forget to hit that like button if you're as hyped for Void Lives as we are.
Until then, remember, dying in the game is just another way to learn and laugh at yourself.